Hello aspirants. Today we'll talk about heat waves because they are too much in news in 2026. So when we talk of heat wave, there is a traditional understanding of heat waves which is about the hot, dry condition that prevails over the northern part and central part of India, which we call as the dry heat wave. And that is mostly because of the northwestern winds which are driven towards the central part of India and the northern part, and that is how it is created. But as per the Journal of Atmospheric Studies, there is a more, I should say, adversely affecting heat wave, which is the moist heat wave, which is mainly also driven by the Rossby waves in the upper atmosphere, driving towards or coming towards India from Europe and Middle East. And when they create an anti-cyclonic condition on the surface of the earth over the Indian region, it creates a very moist kind of a hot condition where even when the sweat is there, it does not evaporate, and that becomes more harmful because the body is not able to release the heat by the process of sweating. As per IITM Pune, this moist heat wave is further accentuated by the relative anticyclonic conditions over the Indian region, because of which again this whole thing becomes more worse. Also, when the cyclones drive from the Bay of Bengal region towards northwestern parts and northern parts of India, they also bring a lot of hot and moist conditions, which makes it more moist kind of a heat wave condition. So this is one thing. Second is the monsoon, the variations in monsoon, the role of El Nino, La Nina, and also the Indian Ocean dipole, Maiden-Julian oscillation. When the Maiden-Julian oscillation has a suppressed phase over India, we don't get much of rain and all. So that also makes it much hotter, clear sky, and all these are the conditions which make it more intense kind of heat wave thing. Apart from this, we also see that there is the local wind condition effect also, right? Like the Lu, which is the traditional word, and winds like Paicha. So that's a local wind word that we use in eastern parts of India like Odisha, and also there also those conditions are making it much more intense and makes it much more difficult for people to adjust. But in recent times, we have also seen that IMD and IITM Pune have been able to predict the heat waves in better ways up to 2 weeks earlier, and thanks to that we have been able to make good plans, like the Ahmedabad city which has come up with a good plan. So that's how we can handle heat waves in coming years. Thank you.